welcome. You're watching the News Hour Agenda. I'm Padmaja Joshi. What a sad, sad day it is, not just for Mumbai, but for the entire country. But especially for Maximum City, a city that aspires to be international, cosmopolitan, modern, inclusive, liberal. But in reality, Mumbai today is a city where a 62-year-old man, a man who is a Navy veteran, was dragged by the collar, beaten, abused, kicked. He was left with his eyes bloodshot, with internal bleeding, his face black, bruised, swollen. And all of this was done why? Because Shiv Sainiks were upset with this Navy veteran forwarding a cartoon against Uddhav Thackeray. That's right. That's all that this gentleman did. He got a cartoon on WhatsApp. He forwarded it to his friends. The local Sena Shakha Pramukhs found out. They came to his house, dragged him out and beat him up. Luckily, this entire assault was caught on CCTV camera so that these men, these so-called Shiv Sainiks, today cannot deny what happened. First, I want you to listen in to Madan Sharma, this Navy veteran who's wondering whether Maharashtra is a state now and Mumbai is a city now where there is no respect for age, for service, or for that matter, respect for the law.
मुझे बहुत मारे हुए हैं। वो दरवाजा पर बुला करके गेट पर वो बोले कि आपसे बात करनी है जो वायरल मैसेज के लिए। सारे शिवसेना के लोग थे और 10-12 थे वहां पर। सीसी कैमरा टीवी में आया हुआ है हमारे। हमको बुलाए हैं गेट पर। गेट पर जाने के बाद से वो बोले कि हम बात करना चाहते हैं और उनके पास गया तो वो बात नहीं किए, हमको मारने लगे। सर पर मारे हैं, पीछे मारे हैं, कमर पर मारे हुए हैं, पाँव के ऊपर मारे हुए हैं, दोनों साइड में मारे हुए, दोनों साइड फूल गए हैं, आंख में खून आ गया है। मैं कभी सोचा नहीं था कि बॉम्बे में इस तरह का बर्ताव होगी जो अभी चल रही है। ये बहुत दुखपूर्ण बात है। इस तरह का देश में अपना होना नहीं चाहिए। ये सब जो है हर राज्य हिंदुस्तान का है, भारत का है और कहीं भी कोई भी रह सकता है और कुछ भी बोलने का संविधान में हमको बोलने का अधिकार है। अभी जो हो रही है दंगा फसाद और इस तरह का वो होना नहीं चाहिए।
ये देखिए इन अंकल को इस तरह से मारा है। थोड़ा अंकल ऐसे देखना मेरे तरफ। ये पूरी आंख लाल हो गई है। ये आप देखते हैं ये एक्स नेवी ऑफिसर है। इनको इस तरह से सेना के गुंडों ने आके मारा है। आप देखो 62 इयर्स के हैं और ये यहाँ की सिक्योरिटी ने सब बताया। इनकी बेटी है, पीछे से दौड़ते आई लेकिन तब तक वो भाग चुके थे। सीसीटीवी की फुटेज हमने मांगी है।
Remember, yesterday I had shown you how the Shiv Sena, after demolishing Kangana Ranaut's office in violation of processes, had triumphantly declared in their party mouthpiece, "Ukhad diya." Today, this person who shared a cartoon about Uddhav Thackeray is beaten up in broad daylight. Are these episodes unlinked? Absolutely not. You'd be foolish to think that. All of these episodes, where Sanjay Raut calls Kangana haramkhor, where her office is brought down, where a man is beaten up, they're all aimed at doing only one thing: to send out a message that if you anger this government, it doesn't matter who you are. You could be a successful actress, you could be a regular citizen, you could be a Navy veteran, you will be crushed. You will face not just the wrath of the state machinery, but also the party's so-called cadre, or dare I say, the party's militia. So it's a simple question today. Has the Agadi government given up all pretense that they will crush, they will annihilate anyone who speaks up against them? And when will the NCP and Congress, when will these two parties who are enjoying the fruits of power along with the Shiv Sena take responsibility for and speak up against the actions of the Shiv Sena?
The News Hour at 10. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Joining us on the debate, we have Rajiv Pandey, advocate and spokesperson for the BJP, chief editor of Goa Chronicles, Savio Rodriguez, editor of Organizer Praful Ketkar, columnist Ifra Jan, Shiv Sena supporter Vikram Singh Yadav, political analyst Anban Banerjee, political analyst Atikur Rahman and Chetan Singh. But Vikram Singh Yadav, I want to first ask you, क्योंकि मैं आपसे कल भी बात कर रही थी, कल आप दे रहे थे लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की दुहाई दे रहे थे, इलीगैलिटी की दुहाई दे रहे थे। आज जो हुआ है उसके बारे में आप क्या कहेंगे? ये बेसिकली मुंबई में ही नहीं, पूरे महाराष्ट्र में, और अगर नेशनल एम्बिशंस हुए पूरे देश में रहने वाले हर एक आदमी को एक मैसेज है, हम तुम्हें खत्म कर देंगे अगर तुम हिम्मत करोगे। ये 62 साल के अंकल हैं, ये किसी के भी साथ हो सकता है। और मैं ये 3 दिन से कह रही हूं, कंगना रनौत सिर्फ एक झांकी थी, हम सब बाकी हैं। विक्रम यादव।
पद्मा जी देखिए, ये वीडियो मैंने भी देखा है, लेकिन इसमें तो ब्लैक ड्रेस में जैसे कोई कमांडो टाइप कुछ लोग नजर आ रहे हैं, कहीं शिव सैनिक तो नहीं लग रहे इसमें। लेकिन अगर ये कहा जा रहा है तो इसकी अभी पुष्टि होने तो मैंने सिर्फ वीडियो ही देखा है। बाकी अगर नहीं, ये तो शिव सैनिक लग नहीं रहे, तो कोई कमांडो, ये तो ब्लैक ड्रेस में जो है, ब्लैक सबने पहनी हुई है, तो ऐसा लग रहा है कोई कमांडो टाइप, कोई
शिव सैनिक के अपने यहाँ शक्ल पे टैटू बना के आते हैं शिवसेना के लोगों का, या उनके माथे पे लिखा होता है शिव सैनिक।
नहीं, ऐसी ब्लैक ड्रेस जैसे सबने एक जैसी पहन रखी है ना।
अच्छा, सारे शिव सैनिक जिंदगी भर सिर्फ और सिर्फ भगवा कुर्ता पहन के आते हैं, ब्लैक ड्रेस कोई नहीं पहनता। उद्धव ठाकरे जी क्या रोज भगवा कुर्ता पहन के जाते हैं? वो कभी ब्लैक ड्रेस नहीं पहनते।
जैसे कोई बाउंसर, जैसे किसी कंपनी, नहीं जैसे कोई बाउंसर हो, फिर भी इसकी पुष्टि होने दो, क्योंकि मैंने भी वीडियो देखा है, मेरी जानकारी में भी ये नहीं।
चलिए यादव जी, बेवकूफाना, जिसको कहते हैं ना बेवकूफाना आर्ग्यूमेंट नहीं करते हैं, मैं उनके नाम बताती हूं आपको। संजय माजरे 23 साल के हैं, शाखा प्रमुख है। कमलेश कदम है, 24 साल के हैं, शाखा प्रमुख है। ये कोई बाउंसर नहीं है जो काले कपड़े पहन करके आए, ये वो लोग हैं जिनको जाकर के हमने आइडेंटिफाई किया है। पर सबसे शर्म की और दुख की बात यह नहीं है कि इन्होंने जाकर के एक 62 साल के बुजुर्ग को पीटा है। दुख की बात यह है कि ये अभी भी जेल में नहीं है, अभी भी ये जेल में नहीं है। विक्रम यादव जी,
नहीं, देखिए मामले की पूरी जांच होने दो, चीजों को पता चलने दो। अभी
जांच को होगी भाई,
मामला अभी कुछ
एफआईआर तो होना चाहिए। एफआईआर किधर है?
नहीं कह दो कि भाई, क्योंकि
जांच कौन करेगा?
देखिए कुछ मामले की पुलिस को पता तो लगने दो कौन इसमें इन्वॉल्व है, कौन नहीं है। देखिए मैं एक चीज कहना चाहता हूं कि जिस प्रकार से आज कुछ पत्रकार, कुछ फिल्म वाले और कुछ ऐसे लोग जो मिलकर के शिवसेना को जिस प्रकार से बदनाम किया जा रहा ना, ये भी
पहली बात विक्रम यादव जी, ये प्लीज बहुत ही वाहियात किस्म का ये जो आपका जो ये रिवर्स वो होता है ना अटैक, कि कुछ बोलने को नहीं है, वीडियो पे है। मतलब बेशर्मी की हद देखिए, वो आदमी अपने मुंह से बोल रहा है 15 शिव सैनिक।
वीडियो से आप कैसे
वीडियो में दिख रहा है उनको पीट रहे हैं, तो ये क्या 62 साल के झूठ बोल रहे हैं जब वो कह रहे हैं कि 15 शिव सैनिक आए?
बताओ कि
ये जो 62 साल के बुजुर्ग हैं ये झूठे हैं जो बोल रहे हैं कि 15 शिव सैनिक आए।
देखो
वो जो कि उस इलाके में रहते हैं उनको नहीं पता कि शाखा प्रमुख कौन है। आप यहाँ स्टूडियो में बैठ करके मुझे बता रहे हैं कि ये शिव सैनिक नहीं है, ये कमांडो हैं। ये इनको पता होगा या आपको पता होगा?
देखिए जो मारने वाला होगा वो शिव सैनिक बताएगा अपने आप को। आप मुझे ये बताओ, जो आदमी खुद गुनाह कर रहा है झूठ बोल रहा है, काम क्यों करेगा?
ये मदन जी झूठ बोल रहे हैं
शिवसेना के नाम पे।
आप मदन जी झूठ बोल रहे हैं, मदन जी झूठ बोल रहे हैं।
शिवसेना के नाम पे कुछ लोग जो गुंडागर्दी करते हैं, नहीं शिवसेना के, देखो मैं वो सही बोल रहे होंगे, लेकिन जो बोलने वाले हैं वो तो झूठ बोल गए ना। वो कौन थे, क्या थे?
मैं आपको नाम बता रही हूँ और मैं आपको बता रही हूँ कि ये शाखा का हिस्सा है। उनको नामजद किया गया है, उनको आइडेंटिफाई किया है मदन प्रसाद ने कि मैं जानता हूँ ये शिव सैनिक है।
उन्होंने मान लिया? नहीं, उन्होंने मान लिया क्या? आपके पास सीसीटीवी कैमरे हैं, जरा एक बार उससे सारी चीजें
जो मदन प्रसाद है उन्होंने नाम लेकर के बोला है कि ये दोनों आदमी नामजद कंप्लेंट है, ये शिव सैनिक है, ये शाखा में काम करते हैं। फिर इनको अरेस्ट क्यों नहीं किया?
देखिए शिव सैनिक अगर शिव सैनिक हुए, नहीं शिव सैनिक अगर हुए तो बक्से नहीं जाएंगे। नहीं शिव सैनिक अगर होंगे तो कार्रवाई होगी, बक्से नहीं जाएंगे। लेकिन इस चीज की अभी पुष्टि होने दो। देखो
अच्छा।
अभी मैं इस चीज में मेरे सामने भी वीडियो आया है, इससे ज्यादा अभी कुछ जानकारी मिली नहीं
क्योंकि
है कि
रैंडम आदमी, ये अगर शिवसैनिक नहीं है राजीव पांडे, तो राह चलते मुंबई में कोई भी अचानक कहता है कि अरे उद्धव ठाकरे का कार्टून कैसे तुमने बना दिया, चलो पीटते हैं आज लोगों को। जनरली मुंबई में हर कोई पीटने के लिए निकला रहता है और सडनली वो ऑफेंड हो जाते हैं उद्धव ठाकरे के कार्टून से। तो शिवसैनिक ना भी होते हुए वो कहते हैं कि चलो आज कुछ पिटाई करते हैं, आज फ्राइडे नाइट
घटना हो गई, इससे आप नहीं,
फ्राइडे नाइट है, आज पीटने का मन है, चलो चलते हैं।
घटना हो गई। आप पद्मा जी आप कैसी बातें कर रहे हो?
घटना नहीं है,
आप कैसी
ये घटना नहीं है दोस्त,
बातें कर रहे हैं? घटना
ये सब चीजें बहुत सुनियोजित, सोचे समझे तरीके से की जा रही हैं। ये कोई घटना दुर्घटना नहीं है, ये किया जा रहा है और ये सोच समझ के किया जा रहा है। कल को उखाड़ दिया, आज को पीट दिया। पर आपको कैसे पता राजीव पांडे की शिवसैनिक है? यादव जी को कमांडो लग रहा है।
मामले का पता लगने दो।
In these kind of cases, there is a history. Few days back also, one person was his head was saved. Mumbai police under this government is very hesitant to take action against these kind of goons. You know, he is an army veteran. It is a very shameful act. We are all ashamed that we are unable to give respect to veterans. You know what kind of people who have attacked, and I'm only asking that how Yadav ji is giving these kind of arguments. He should say that it is condemned and everybody and anybody who is involved in this crime should be punished and as quickly as they should be arrested. You know, there is a video. You can't change that, sir.
And leave that.
I just asked
leave
one
that.
question.
You know, while Mr. Yadav is talking about an investigation, at the very least, somebody from the Agadi Ifrajan at least should tweet Sanjay Raut, who's, you know, like a bite a dozen. Every day he has something to tell the country. किसी को किसी दिन बुला के हरामखोर बोलो, किसी को किसी दिन कुछ बोलो, किसी को किसी दिन कुछ बोलो. इतना somebody who's always got something to say doesn't have a word to say today. A 62-year-old man gets beaten up in Mumbai. One word of condemnation, one word of regret, of apology, of sadness from the chief minister, the deputy chief minister, anyone at all? Ifra Jan?
आप दूसरे पक्ष
Padma Jha, I'm surprised that we are having this debate today on Shiv Sena beating up a man when Dilip Ghosh, a leader of the BJP in Bengal, summoned all BJP workers and said, "आप सभी तुम बीजेपी के TMC के वर्कर्स को मारो और पुलिस को मारो and I'll take care of
Ifra Jan, I am not going to allow you to derail this debate. You always come here, engage in whataboutery. I am not going to allow you to do that because that is your sole purpose in life, to come and completely distract people, engage in whataboutery. You have a problem with somebody making a condemnable call to violence. You have no problem with an actual human being being beaten up. You don't have a problem. Do you think what the Shiv Sena did is right? Ifra Jan, Ifra Jan, Ifra Jan, Ifra Jan, Ifra Jan. All right, silence. Now 10 seconds silence. Do you think what the Shiv Senics did is wrong? Yes, no.
Absolutely, it's wrong, but there is...
Do you think that members of the alliance in Maharashtra should come out and condemn it? And these men should be arrested?
Did you tell them that Dilip Ghosh should be arrested?
If he attacks somebody, he should definitely be arrested. There is no doubt in my mind about it. If he goes and attacks someone, he should definitely be arrested. He should definitely be arrested. Now what's your argument? Now what's your argument?
For being an ISI worker, Dhruv Saxena, no one says a word.
You have gone straight from a 62-year-old man being beaten on camera to a man threatening violence to another man acting as an ISI mole.
You are bringing TMC, BJP and other issues. The issue is very clear. Can we accept that goons can attack a veteran for forwarding one message? The question is very clear. Nobody can support this. And you are bringing this TMC, Bengal, BJP. Bengal is a den of terrorists. You know that? You know, you are all people, you are getting people from Bangladesh is accusing TMC. Let's not go into that debate. When Bangladesh is accusing TMC government that they are hiding Islamic terrorists from Bangladesh. Let's not debate that. Today we have to oppose attack on anybody. And in this case, a Western is attacked.
शीशा उठा के देख लीजिए बीजेपी वाले.
फिर शीशा
एक second. Ifra Jan, come on. Let's have this conversation. When did Dilip Ghosh beat up someone?
Dilip Ghosh incited his party workers to beat up TMC workers, including the police, which is a crime. Which is the
same as 15 Shiv Sainiks barging into a man's house and kicking him and giving him a black eye. It's exactly the same thing.
So Dilip Ghosh should be left out.
It's exactly the same thing.
Of the BJP were arrested for actually attacking and planning to murder a Muslim man in Kasargod. They were BJP karyakartas.
And they are not arrested? And they are not arrested?
Because it was the case.
And they are not arrested? Have they been arrested?
Why does nobody ask the BJP government to resign? There was a BJP member who was actually...
I am not even asking anyone to resign. I am simply saying arrest to kar lo, Ifra Jan. You are citing the example of somebody who engaged in violence and you are yourself admitting that they have been arrested. I am asking, why aren't these 15 men arrested even now? Why aren't they arrested? Praful Ketkar. You know Praful Ketkar. You know what is the biggest tragedy of it all? Which people who come on the panel to defend the Shiv Sena do not realize that today the Shiv Sena has beat up a man for forwarding a cartoon. The same Shiv Sena that was founded by a gentleman who left the Free Press Journal, founded a magazine called Marmik, and in all of his years before entering active politics, he has only and only used cartoons to target social satire at politicians. Bal Thackeray is somebody who made cartoons on everyone, from Jawaharlal Nehru to Indira Gandhi. If Bal Thackeray was alive today, Praful Ketkar, perhaps the Shiv Sainiks would beat them up too. They would beat him up.
See, Padmaja, we need to understand the mindset of present-day Shiv Sena and this particular government. I won't blame, the panelists here, because for them, till yesteryear, this was a communal Shiv Sena. Now it has become a secular Shiv Sena, so they won't utter a word against Shiv Sena. But Shiv Sena originated with the motto of giving justice to people who are facing some kind of injustice, and that was the character of Shiv Sena Shakha at the local level. That time Bal Thackeray was there and he had some moral conviction to decide what is, to draw the thin line. But the character of Shiv Sena has been like this. But now what has happened now, that moral conviction is not there, that organizational structure is not there, and therefore you find a lawlessness. And see, right from the
but that doesn't fly. I'm sorry, you cannot be in government and say कि अरे character ही वही है. We've always been like this party which goes out and beats people. And the funny thing is, Praful Ketkar, that people who support the Congress which is an alliance, the Congress which is the most secular, most peace-loving party in the world, will not speak a word and say, भैया शिव सैनिक क्या कर रहे हैं चेतन सिंह? चेतन सिंह, आपको जाना चाहिए, कहना चाहिए क्या हो रहा है मुंबई में?
Padmaja, I will tell you. Look, you are asking about Congress and NCP.
We need to understand here
Congress has given up as far as this particular government is concerned. Congress leadership is frustrated, but they don't have any say in the government, and they, speak this out.
Can I respond now?
No, so ये तो convenient है ना प्रफुल्ल केतकर कि सरकार के मजे लूटिए, बट जब वो जा करके लोगों को पीटना शुरू कर दे, उनके घर गिराना शुरू कर दे, then you get away with, we don't approve of this. If you don't approve of it, leave the government. They should leave the government. If Mr. Pawar, if the Congress does not agree with what Shiv Sena is doing, they should leave the government.
Look, Padmaja, first and foremost, this is absolutely deplorable. Any kind of attack on a veteran is not going to be accepted in our country. On the top of it, if you're going to talk about me, I'm personally a Gandhi philosophy follower. On the top of it, this kind of behavior is not going to be accepted.
Which Gandhi? We need to be clear. Mahatma Gandhi or Rahul Gandhi? Which Gandhi's follower are you?
Padmaja ji, do not deviate the subject now.
I am not deviating, sir.
No, you are getting.
आप अगर महात्मा गांधी के फॉलोअर हैं, तो महात्मा गांधी कभी किसी के साथ सरकार में नहीं रहते जो कि लोगों को पीट रहे हैं, लोगों को धमका रहे हैं, लोगों का घर गिरा रहे हैं. That is not what Mahatma Gandhi would have done.
Look. Correct. You're right. See, first, deplorable. I condemn this in a strong word. Second most important point, the party which he supports, Praful Khetkar. Can you help me understand when they were in the alliance, the kind of attacks, the kind of activities which were taking place on those days? How many times he and the party people have condemned it and they have taken the strong action? So
who's condemned it? Who's condemned it? Where is the action? Who's taken action? Everyone waited for Kangana's house to be brought down. Then they said, we don't agree. Today a man has been beaten up. Nobody has even breathed the word. Leave that. These men are out in the open. This is what is happening, sir. कल को कंगना के साथ हुआ, आज मदन प्रसाद के साथ हुआ है, परसों हमारे साथ होगा, because this is the government telling you shut up. This is the government telling you shut up, and there can be nothing more scary and more dangerous when the government tells you either shut up or we will make you shut up.
What kind of politics is this? Padmaja, the most important out here is that if the FIR has already been launched, if these guys have not been arrested, I'm going to appeal through your channel to the Mumbai police to take a strong action. Second most important.
सर, आपकी अपील और आपके कॉन्डमनेशन से अनफॉर्चुनेटली सावियो रॉड्रिग्स ना कंगना का घर वापस खड़ा होगा, ना मदन प्रसाद की इंटरनल ब्लीडिंग बंद होगी. Even as we speak, this gentleman has been taken for a CAT scan, and all the condemnations in the world and all the appeals in the world are not going to heal that internal bleeding. Savio Rodriguez.
You see, Padmaja,
I think you know it.
I've written in the morning on my Goa Chronicles that if the world wants to see what fascism is in today's day and age, they have to look at Maharashtra and they have to look at Mumbai. Because the Maharashtra government, led by Uddhav Thackeray, is showing the world what fascism is all about.
You are coming to the point. That's the reason.
Into a
the problem
fascist
that how this government is running successfully is the problem with you people.
How dare you attack a 62-year-old veteran? You shameless people!
I am telling you, nobody is supporting it. This is absolutely deplorable.
Sir, silence is support. Lack of action is support. And if you really think that retrospective condemnation is in any way holds any meaning, you think people of this country are idiots. आपने घर गिरा दिया, फिर किनारा कर लिया, पीट दिया, फिर चुप्पी साध के बैठ गए. और आपको लगता है कि लोग बेवकूफ हैं इस देश में, उनको समझ में नहीं आ रहा आप लोग क्या कर रहे हैं. सरकार में रहेंगे, सरकार चलाएंगे साथ में, और फिर कहेंगे we don't agree. If you don't agree, then get out of government. Don't be in government with someone who is acting like a bully. Chetan Singh. It's as simple as that. Please don't for a moment think that people do not understand what is going on.
Uninterrupted in 10 seconds. All right. See, Padmaja, first and foremost, this attack which has happened, this is absolutely not going to be accepted. Secondly, the underlying agenda. Underlying agenda is to target this government. And we know the series of attacks has taken place on this particular government. That how, in a democratic manner, they are running this government in a very successful manner. And I'm telling you, this is not going to be accepted. And we are not going to accept it. Any kind of a violent behavior in the society is not going to be accepted.
Whose agenda? Whose agenda is it to target the government? Whose agenda is it, Rajiv Pandey? So this man, because he forwarded a cartoon, now he is some anti-national element who needs to be beaten up and silenced because apparently he has an agenda. And Mumbai में यही होता है, जिसका agenda उसको मिलेगा डंडा. This is the message that is being given by Chetan Singh.
This is the way these people are trying to defend the indefensible. What Chetan Singh is saying, initially he is saying that it is deplorable, and then she is saying government is under attack. You know why Congress is not doing anything? Why Congress is not speaking? Because Congress is the original mob lynchers party. We remember 1984, in which how more than 10,000 Sikhs were killed across the country. So Congress will not say. Congress will support Shiv Sena in this Gundagardi. I am asking one thing.
It is
can a retired Navy person be beaten or just for working on WhatsApp? Where is the people? Why people are not arrested? Anybody will ask this one question. Chetan Singh, if the FIR would have been against you, by now you would have been in jail. You would have been the police lockup. But these people, these groups are roaming free because government is not taking action.
Country, because there are many other states, these kind of incidents are taking place.
Could there be anything more laughable, Anirban Banerjee, that there are people here actually suggesting that the one under attack is not a man who's actually been beaten, whose eyes are swollen, but the one under attack is the state government, the helpless state government which only has the police, the BMC, all of it at its beck and call. They are helpless, poor things. They're under attack. What are they going to do? People are attacking them with these cartoons. And you know, with speaking on Twitter, so much attack, so much violence. And in self-defense, they beat up people.
As you have rightly said, Padmaja ji, today Bala Saheb Thackeray would have said this, that this is very wrong and they should be put behind bars. He was first a cartoonist. If today R.K. Lakshman would have been there, then Shiv Sainik would have attacked even R.K. Lakshman.
He had to leave his state. You have to be providing security to that doctor. Other than this, you support.
I think again you are also doing this side-tracking issue. You are behaving like you are bringing Kafil Khan issue.
Are you within your
Kafil Khan was arrested earlier also. He is a habitual offender. Kafil Khan is a habitual offender. Earlier also he was arrested. Let's not divert the debate, sir. Kafil Khan was arrested in another case. He is facing series of cases. He was talking like talking about global jihad and all other things.
No, just a second. What are you even saying, Atiq Ahmed? What are you yelling about? What is your point?
Why are you bringing Kafil Khan in this?
You're not giving a chance to speak.
You are yelling. Calm down. I am going to give you enough opportunity. I had asked the question to Anirban Banerjee. A, you're not letting him speak. B, you're just yelling without making a point. What is your point, Atiq Ahmed? Go on, Atiqur Rahman.
May I, Anirban?
Go on, Atiqur Rahman.
Thank you. First of all, Padmaja, with folded hands, I request all parties concerned not to drag our veteran into this. Now this 1 month tug of war, please get Rahman, please allow me. Please allow me 30 seconds.
Sir, I will allow you 1 minute, but please calm down. First of all, I can't even understand what you're saying because you're hollering. Just calm down and speak normally so people can understand what you're saying.
Between the BJP and the Shiv Sena proves that this is a stage thing. The BJP has staged this person. In Mumbai, no Mumbaikar will tolerate the attack on a veteran like this. I live near the Navy Nagar. The Navy Nagar is the most secured area, Padmaja.
So BJP has done what? BJP has got this gentleman beaten up. Why?
The BJP people have staged this. This person cannot prove that the Shiv Sainik is attending.
I'm so glad you made this very random and laughable point, because even as we speak, just a second, Atiqur Rahman, it's almost like the Mumbai police wanted to embarrass you and Mr. Yadav, because you are sitting on the program saying there is no proof they are Shiv Sainiks, no proof they are Shiv Sainiks, even as we speak. And after a 5-hour campaign by Times Now, 2 men have just been arrested and they are both Shiv Sainiks. Ab bataiye. They are both identified Shiv Sainiks.
The BJP is having lots and lots of money to stage such things.
This is not staged. 2 Shiv Sainiks have been arrested. The ones whose names I have given you.
Navy Nagar.
What are you rambling on about? I am telling you 2 men are arrested. They are both Shiv Sainiks.
I am telling you Navy Nagar is the most secured area.
I want to add a very important thing.
I take you along with me.
Don't take me along with you, please. I don't want to go to places where people are beaten up for simply forwarding a cartoon. I don't want to go with you to Navy Nagar, please. If people are going to be beaten up for forwarding cartoons, please, you are welcome to stay in that area. But that being said, just a second, Atikur Rahman, you know, I think I will get a headache by trying to reason with you, so I will reduce your audio again for a bit. Going back again to Vikram Singh Yadav and bringing back Praful Ketkar as well. Vikram Singh जी, आपके शुरू में जो पूरा एक ये कंस्पिरेसी थ्योरी थी कि कमांडो आए थे, शायद वो एनएसजी के कमांडो होंगे, मानेसर से उनको उड़ा के ले जाया हो गया होगा बीजेपी ने, अब 2 अरेस्ट हो गए हैं, दोनों शिवसेना के लोग हैं। अब कहिए कि ये बधाई के पात्र हैं मुख्यमंत्री, क्योंकि देखो कैसे उन्होंने फटाफट अरेस्ट कर लिया।
मुझे एक चीज बताइए,
नहीं कि इनको शायद
मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि एक नॉर्मल आप
बोलिए यादव जी, बोलिए।
हाँ मैं बोलूँ फिर मैं बोलता हूँ। हाँ देखिए, सरकार बने हुए 1 साल हो गया, अगर कोई एक घटना, अब वो किस वजह से हुई है, क्या हुई है, उसका पूरा पता लगने दो। अगर उसको एक घटना से आप ये सोच लो कि पूरे साल भर दंगे हुए हैं, 1 साल सरकार को बने लगभग हो गया, तो इससे एक अगर कोई घटना हुई है, वो कैसे हुई है, क्या हुई है, उसका पता तो लगने दो। और उसके लिए आप ये मान लोगे कि भाई शिवसेना रोज दंगे कर रही है, तो ये तो कहना बिल्कुल गलत है कि भाई कोई भी बात है उसकी जब तक तह तक नहीं जाएंगे, मामले को समझ तो लें कि क्या था क्या नहीं था इस चीज के ऊपर, उसके बाद फिर पता लगेगा कि ये सब क्यों हुआ। लेकिन हाँ, कार्रवाई जरूर होगी, बख्शा नहीं जाएगा।
वेरी रीजनेबल मिस्टर यादव इज सेइंग कि बड़े बड़े शहरों में छोटी छोटी पिटाइयां होती रहती हैं, इसमें आप मतलब राई का पहाड़ बना रहे हैं, मतलब पीटा ही तो है, जान थोड़ी ना ले ली, घर ही गिराया है, दंगा थोड़ी ना किया है, व्हाट्स द बिग डील।
एक घटना कोई छोटी मोटी घटना,
1 साल की सरकार में एक पिटाई तो बनती है, 1-2 पिटाई इधर उधर, मतलब Now you can't be unreasonable, प्रफुल्ल केतकर।
नहीं शिवसेना जब यादव जी ने उस समय शायद इनके भी आसपास के लोगों ने कभी मार खाया होगा, तो उनको ये पुराना पता, अब ये सेक्युलर हो गई है तो उनको डिफेंड करना पड़ रहा है, वो बात अलग है। लेकिन द पॉइंट दैट आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक इज द इंटरनल कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन एंड द लॉलेसनेस दैट वी आर एक्सपीरियंसिंग इन महाराष्ट्र, वेदर 6 months, 8 months or 1 year, that doesn't matter. There are series of events where it is proved that this government is inefficient to ensure law and order.
क्या किसी और स्टेट में नहीं हो रही क्या ऐसी चीजें? नहीं होती
क्या
बाकी शहरों में भी तो घटनाएं होती हैं, बाकी शहरों में भी पिटाइयां होती हैं, आप मुंबई के पीछे क्यों पड़े हुए हैं?
किसी और स्टेट में नहीं होती, खाली महाराष्ट्र में दिखता है आपको, सिर्फ महाराष्ट्र दिखता है,
आपको सिर्फ महाराष्ट्र कैसा होता है देखिए ना, वहां पे सेक्युलर कहर भी कैसा होता है देखिए ना, छोटी छोटी घटनाओं पर। टीएमसी में बंगाल में 2 बीजेपी के लोग मारे गए, उसके बारे में इफ्रा जहां नहीं बोलेगी, वो सेक्युलर मर्डर होता है। देखिए ऐसा है, अभी मर्डर और किलिंग भी सेक्युलर और कम्युनल होता है, तो इसलिए देखिए आई डोंट एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम यू टू स्टैंड बाय अ वेटरन बिकॉज़ यू हैव ऑलवेज स्टूड बाय टेररिस्ट एंड अ पर्सन हू स्टूड बाय टेररिस्ट आई डोंट एक्सपेक्ट टू स्टैंड बाय वेटरन। व्हाट वी आर टॉकिंग टुडे,
are you going to give a lecture on
Yes, you will get that lecture, because that lecture is needed very much today, Anirban Banerjee. Whenever there is an act of violence, I'm very glad that this has been brought up by Vikram Singh Yadav. He says it happens in other cities as well. Yes, it happens. And at that time, there is all-round condemnation. There are people who are lighting candles. There are protest marches, as there should be. In fact, the protest is at the level of hyperbole. But here, there is a pin drop silence. Nobody is stepping up, Anirban Banerjee, and saying that Mumbai has turned into a lynch republic.
Of course, Mumbai
people
has
are being
not
bullied openly. Nobody, जिसको हिंदी में कहते हैं चू तक नहीं की किसी ने।
Just a moment. Mumbai has definitely not turned into a lynch republic. It has definitely not turned into POK.
अगर आपको लग रहा है तो इतनी जल्दी कार्रवाई पकड़ा ना,
अरेस्ट। Oh sir, just a moment please.
अरेस्ट हुए हैं।
But there was someone in this panel today, in the panel tonight, that scum, that bloody scum, turned Bengal as a den of terrorists. I heard that loud and clear. That was a BJP person, right?
Who was a BJP person?
Bengal as a den of terrorists in this panel tonight. Just a few minutes back, a bloody scum turned Bengal as a den of terrorists.
Who said?
This is the way the BJP. So this panel, right?
Rajiv Pandey, did you say the West Bengal is a den of terrorists?
No.
Then you must apologize.
No. I said even Bangladesh is saying that under TMC rule, many terrorists are hiding in Bengal. I said so. I'm again saying, is this not true? The murderer of Mujibur Rahman was arrested from Bengal. Tell me, murderer of Mujibur Rahman of Bangladesh was arrested from Bengal or not? Tell me. Tell me, reply me this question. You have asked me, now I'm telling you. How many terrorists of Houthi were arrested from Bengal? Murderer of Mujibur Rahman was arrested or not? Tell me. Reply me this question. Padmajaji, tell him to reply this question.
This is not about Bengal. This is not about Bengal. My limited point is, no, I will not condone any state being called, unlivable or like Pakistan or the entire state is den of terrorists. No. But if you're talking about political violence, it should be condemned unequivocally and it should be condemned with the same vehemence, especially by those parties, Atikur Rahman, who say that they are secular. When their alliance partner turns into an open bully, they cannot get away with silence and belated condemnation.
Padmaja, what you are demanding from the Shiv Sena, we are demanding from the central government. Why
aren't you demanding it from Shiv Sena? Why aren't you demanding it from Shiv Sena? You have that expectation only from the center. You don't have that expectation from Shiv Sena.
Like the people who are claiming that even America got themselves attacked under 9/11. Atikur Rahman is giving the conspiracy theory, like many people say that America himself got attacked on World Trade Center to take action against Islamists. What is this? What kind of conspiracy theory you are trying to percolate? Atikur Rahman sahab, nobody will accept all these theories. You are trying to say that they were not satanic. Now you are saying I am demanding from BJP. Tell me where the action has not been taken.
From Rajiv Pandey today. Why NSA on the student community? Why NSA on Dr. Kapil Khan? Why?
Sir.
Again I want our viewers to see Savio Rodrigues, Ifra Jan and Praful Ketkar. Another cartoon which was made in Marmik by the late Bal Thackeray, where he showed Bharat Mata in chains. And she's being throttled, he says, by arms dealers. And he said, this is being done at the behest of the Congress. Perhaps today, in this Aghadi government, had Bal Thackeray not been a member, maybe the Congress would have put him in jail as well. Look how life comes a full circle, Savio Rodrigues.
Padmaja, Bal Thackeray was an inspirational man. He was a man who had conviction and he had a viewpoint on how he wanted Maharashtra and the country to move ahead. He used his skill, which was starting to convey a point. The who is this now? The Balasam who is Shiv Sena
not only Maharashtra but at the center.
The Balasam Shiv Sena is dead.
The shoulders of the Shiv Sena to rule over the country.
His was the
BJP veteran
Balasam Thackeray would have never allowed for a veteran to be attacked
from the Shiv Sena.
One wonders what Bal Thackeray or even Gandhi ji, Chetan Singh, since you say that you follow the philosophy of Mahatma Gandhi, what they would have to say about the state of affairs right now. You have a government which is bullying its own citizens and everyone is sitting in silence. It's a conspiracy of silence.
Correct.
What a shame.
Mahatma Gandhi has taught us the most important subject of non-violence. He has taught us conviction, courage and compassion also. At this given point of time, I would just want to request everybody, even Praful Ketkar, Savio and Mr. Mishra and all these people, to not to do any politics. What is happening more of politics?
Not to do any politics? This whole thing began from politics. And you are using state machinery, state power and a political party cadre against ordinary citizens and you're saying, don't do politics. Log bikte rahe. When somebody stands up and says, excuse me, what's going on? You're like, let's not do politics.
Right from China issue, right from border tension issue, to Rafale, people should not politicize anything and everything. The people who are in opposition, this is what they're trying to do, because they failed to form a government in that particular state. What nonsense is this? What nonsense philosophy are talking about? So now, at this given point of time, I'm just going to request them to kindly not to do any politics on these kind of a subject.
Oh, really? Really? Shiv Sena is a political party. The people arrested are members of this political party. What is not political about this attack, sir? What is not political about this attack? Anirban Banerjee, you've had a sarkar going from Gandhigiri to Gundagiri, and nobody is supposed to call it out. Because then you are told, don't do politics.
It is the same very Aghadi government who has staged this arrest within a few hours of the incident. But on the other hand, when Akhlaq Ahmed gets lynched to death, he is alleged murderers, his lynchers are felicitated by a BJP minister.
Are you going to whitewash the violence as Mamata Banerjee has been doing in Bengal?
We are not whitewashing anything.
As the communist government used to do in Bengal.
We are not whitewashing
anything. Are you going to give the same kind of certificate to Shiv Sena?
Aghadi government has arrested these people.
Now.
You know, I'm so glad you brought up the issue of the efficiency of the Mumbai police, because let me tell you a story. In the evening, I spoke to the daughter of Madanji. You know what he said? What she said? Savio Rodriguez, listen to this. And Yadavji, aap bhi suniye. I will do it in a mix of Hindi and English so everyone understands. So, Madanji ki beti se, jab humne unki pitai hone ke kareeb आधे घंटे बाद बात की, she said that after he had been dragged out by his collar and kicked in his face, he came back inside his house. Half an hour later, Savio Rodriguez, the police turned up at their door and they said, you have been booked under the IT Act and we will take you to jail. So a 62-year-old man who was suffering from internal bleeding was told, now we will throw you in jail. And Anirban Banerjee sits here and says, much efficiency, much wow. How amazing.
No, what is the fact? Did the police throw him in jail?
If the alacrity with which they went back for an injured man, if they had shown that alacrity for the attackers, then I would agree with you, Anirban Banerjee, that this is efficiency. This is nothing more than acting under pressure. Savio Rodriguez. But we're supposed to give a bouquet and say thank you. Thank you for doing your job.
But the way the BJP are crying foul, they have no right to.
Dedicated his life for the country.
They are shedding tears for the veterans. This is the same very government who have scrapped off the pension scheme. They have scrapped off the pension scheme of the veterans.
The people of Maharashtra
they are shedding nothing more than crocodile tears for the veterans.
All they
are sore about.
This is not politics.
You know, I keep saying this again and again. This is an unadulterated message. What is happening in Mumbai? Either you can close your eyes and be foolish, or you can wake up and smell the coffee. And Anirban Banerjee, since you're so impressed by the Mumbai police and the Shiv Sena and the government, let me play out for you what the local Shiv Sena Pramukh told us. When we asked him, why did you beat up an old man? Do you know what he said? Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So he's basically saying, pitna to thai, isne bola, हमने उखाड़ दिया. Listen.
These were Shiv Sena Shaka Pramukhs and all from that area.
Obviously, every action will have a reaction, because if you can keep on commenting derogatory remarks on our leadership, and how laymen like us, how can we keep quiet on this? I mean, though he happened to be a great serviceman and all, that was laterally known, not known or whatever. Anyway, I mean, it's bad.
As a Shiv Sena leader, you condemn this kind of hooliganism, right?
No, I did not condemn it, but I said, I did not condemn it, but I said it has to be both the ways.
I mean, it shouldn't have happened.
It shouldn't have happened, unfortunate. But of course, Shiv Sainik, how long they will, keep quiet? Anybody comes and says anything wrong, creates memes on that. So it was a natural reaction. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
They are not even pretending anymore. How long will Shiv Sainiks keep quiet, Ifra Jan?
Ma'am,
you condone this?
More
people keep saying anything, so we will have a reaction.
Our central government has put more than, especially the UP government has put more than 20 people under arrest for making simple cartoons and memes. I wonder why does nobody talk about what the central government is doing? You see the Shiv Sainik saying, oh, every government has an equal and opposite reaction. But you don't react to Dilip Ghosh telling people...
I just reacted for the last 40 minutes and told you that if he has indulged in violence, put him in jail. And ma'am, let me tell you unequivocally that you've had Dilip Ghosh, Babul Supriyo and Tathagat Roy, two BJP leaders and one governor who have been questioned right on this channel when they have made incendiary statements. So don't sit and give me homilies on what should be done and how we don't speak. Don't talk rubbish. I am sorry. You do not have the courage to sit here and call out people who are engaging in violence. And mind you, and I will reiterate this, that this gentleman of the Shiv Sena, please cut out the noise. Please cut out the noise. Let me reiterate to you what was very important in what this gentleman of the Shiv Sena said. He said, every action has a reaction. People keep criticizing us, they are provoking us. Till when will Shiv Sainiks keep quiet? I do not condemn the violence. Today, the reaction has been beating. Yesterday, the reaction was demolishing somebody's house. Day after tomorrow, that reaction could be anything. If you're living in Maharashtra, always remember that, because this is the state sending that message to you. For everyone who condones it or says, we don't approve, your hypocrisy and your pointlessness of your condemnation is bared before the people. Thank you very much, all gentlemen and Ifra Jan, for having joined me.